Welcome to the Trigger Review. My name is Carl from Financial Freedom Academics, and Trigger is our awesome training by my friends Dan and Spencer, which are from the United States. And Trigger will show you everything about how to quickly, that's the important thing, quickly build an online business, an affiliate marketing business, and everything what you need, like web pages, hosting, autoresponders, list building, leads, how to get traffic, affiliate marketplaces, and how to get paid. And what I really like is that they offer an exclusive private support group where they make calls and question and answer sessions and so much more. So I really like it, and I know they were in the same coaching as I was, and we paid like more than $2,000 for that, so they definitely know what they are teaching you here. They're actually teaching you what they learned in this course, so that's really, really cool. And I have some very cool bonuses. Like, I'm so proud of my bonuses. I created all on my own. They actually, some of them are from my launch of Multiplier, and I kind of messed up the launch, but still the few buyers or the people who bought this product are so amazed of this product because it got so much value inside. So anyway, I will tell you more about Trigger in a minute, and I will also show you the inside and tell you more about the upsells, right? And also I will tell you what I like about the product and what I don't like about the product. If you decide at any point that you want this product and want my bonuses, my highly valuable customized bonuses, you just click one of these buttons here. They are everywhere. Just click them and you just get my bonuses below this purchase plus purchase button. It's I will show it somewhere here. Yeah, it looks like that. Here are your bonuses, and if you want them, just click one of the button. They are worth a lot. I will go over them now, and afterwards I will show you the training and the upsells, okay? And I will tell you what I like and what I don't like. Okay, that's my bonuses. Like I said, just the day before yesterday, I launched Multiplier, and I will give you access to Multiplier. And Multiplier is our very, very insane product. I worked for 3 weeks on this product, and I tested this funnel. I still use it. I tested this funnel. So, as you know, the money is in the list. It's the hard truth. Nobody likes it, but it's the truth because you build a relationship with the clients or with your subscribers, and you just control them. So if all social media shuts down tomorrow, you still have your email list, and that's so important. You need to build a relationship. But inside Multiplier, I will show you how we get buyer traffic, how we get viral traffic, and how to multiply one lead into 3. So the people will go to your funnel, right? A funnel is like you have the lead capture page where they type in the email, then we go to the bridge page, and then to the product delivery page. And inside this funnel, when they go through this funnel, you will get the email lead, you will get a YouTube subscriber, and the Messenger bot subscribers, which are very, very powerful at the moment. And there are a lot more bonuses inside. You will definitely love it. Highly recommend it. It's a shame that I kind of messed up the launch, but I will set it as evergreen product, so people will definitely love it, and you will get it for free if you buy through my link. Second bonus is the done for you material. So you get the email sequence, you will get the ManyChat sequence, you will get 5 done for you promotions I did for you. So you just load it up and you will make good money because I made a lot of money with these promotions. And there are native ads you will need for this method, for the front-end method. You will get social media content, you will get done for you videos, you will get so much value. And I actually sell this for $37, so make sure to get access here. Then I will give you my training, my done for you high ticket selling and autopilot training. So as you know, with high tickets, our products will have way more value, but are like $1,000 or $2,000. And I will show you my high ticket selling on autopilot funnel. Just implement this. I've created all the training. It's about 1 or 1.5 hours. So very valuable. Next one is my first launch, Lazy Attractive Profits. The launch was the weird name. I sold 242 units, and it's a product about how you set up our attractive character on Facebook, so people come to you and ask you for your offer. And I include all the upsells, the done for you material, and the expert training, and also the 100% license rights. So that's very, very, very valuable. Again, then I will show you my number one powerful traffic source. Oh, forgot to write traffic here. And so much more. Like I have a lot of surprises on my bonus page. You will see it and love it. And also with all the vendor bonuses. So it's insane what I will give you here, but I really like Dan and Spencer. I really know what they are doing, so and decided to really crush it here and to help them with the sales and to give all of you a lot of value. Like, look, that's $17, $37, sell this for $37. Should sell this for like $500. That's like $107. I sell all this for $107. It's all my own stuff. I don't know what's that worth, but it's my most powerful traffic source. And yeah, so really make sure to buy through my link. You can take a look around. I don't think there's anybody who offer more value. Definitely not. But let's have a look at the sales page now. It's a very basic video sales letter, but I definitely like it. And the topic is how a 53-year-old newbie created a way to set up a real online business in a week. And Dan is 43 years old. You always make fun of it that he is that old, but he's a very nice guy. And you can have a look at the sales page if you click one of the buttons. It's a very nice sales page. I really like gifts, by the way. And that's my favorite movie here, Wolf of Wall Street, by my favorite actor, Leonardo DiCaprio. Have a look at the sales page. I really like it. The product is just $12.95. And like, look at my bonuses. It's nothing. I give way too much away, but I don't care. So let's have a look at the inside of Trigger. Trigger is a training which will show you everything you need to know. That's an important point. You need to know, because so many people teach you a lot, but it doesn't bring you any further. So they decided to really crush it down on the most important things. How to set up your website, what you will need, that you need a list, and why you need a list. I already told you, the money's in a list. Graphic design, how to 10 times your commission, how to make the videos, the affiliate platforms, how to create ads. I'm a big fan of paid traffic because it's very targeted and easy and fast, and how to get started with traffic. Also the recommendation wrap up and bonuses, like the vendor bonuses. So that's very, very good knowledge. I think they give away a lot, and together with my bonuses is so valuable. You will love it. And I just want to show you the upsells here. So OTA 1 is a done for you emails. Like, copywriting is very difficult actually. I read a few books and you need to learn it, and they will give you done for you emails, so we'll definitely go for this one. There's an upgrade in the pro version with 40 done for you emails and copywriting. You need to know what you need if you're ready, if you're fine with 15 emails, or if you go for the 40 emails. And then there's the OTO number 2, which is $57. And that's the Trigger traffic training. And I really recommend this because I give you my traffic source and my bonuses, but they give you 12 different traffic methods to be sure you have traffic on demand. And as you know, traffic is very, very important. You need to have a high converting offer and you need traffic. That's what's all come down inside making money online. High converting offer, traffic. You don't need more. Okay, you need to build a relationship to your audience, but that's it. People, they try like science. They try science, but it's really just those two things. And I really think you are able to find a high converting offer. Just look at the conversion rate, at the sales and everything. But traffic is the thing I've struggled with, what most people struggle with when they just start out, or even advanced people struggle with traffic. So make sure to, if you can afford it, $57, definitely go for it. And the resale rights, yeah, it's a good product. You can sell it as your own product. Go for it if you can afford it. But if I would pick one of those, I would definitely go for the traffic methods, okay? So what's the key benefits? It's a step-by-step video training to massively grow your online business, giant bonus wall of courses and software, weekly live question and answer sessions, monthly live training sessions with top affiliate marketers, monthly PLR to you. So bonuses you can give away, private label rights, you can sell it or give it away as your own bonus. I always recommend, that's my insider tip, I always recommend to make your own bonuses, but it's, of course, it's more work, but you can put your videos on YouTube, and YouTube is one of the best platform or the most important platform nowadays for marketing. Here they have like their seasons and dedicated community filled with like-minded action takers like you. So definitely recommend this product because it focuses on the stuff you need to build a successful online business, and especially with my bonuses, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. You save so much money, like it's just $12.95. And when you go for OTO number 3, which I highly OTO number 2, sorry, which I highly recommend, it's still very, very cheap, okay? So that was my review of Trigger. I hope you like it. I hope I did not blow you away too much. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. And I wish you a very, very nice day. My name is Cal. Wish you all the best. Bye bye.